You're endorsing the paramedic program.
Absolutely. I think it's a very innovative approach to keeping persons out of the emergency room if they don't need to be there.
Paramedic program, what do you think of that?
I think it's cool. It makes a lot of sense. I mean, if you can have somebody that the challenge that we have a lot of times, the local hospitals have as well, is having the ability to triage certain situations, understand if that the best solution is for them to go to the emergency room, or there are other areas of care within our community that can best serve that. I think that myself as a consumer on a health plan where I have a deductible of certain dollar amount and I'm always trying to manage my family's costs, I've learned to do that over time, but I didn't learn it on my own. I learned it through people educating me, and I learned it because I felt the financial sting of not doing that. So I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, but that's not a new idea. That has been around since 2014. We're just now kicking it in. We're just now getting around to kicking it in, which is, as far as I'm concerned, a travesty and a lack of good faith in the administration. They could have got this going a long time ago.
I think looking at the data, we have a lot of information, and getting information from the patients, especially on what are the barriers to their getting health care. Is it transportation? Is it hours of operation? Is it wait lines? Is it financial? And really digging deep to determine what those issues are, and then we can determine how to solve them.
Evaluate the progress of the board.
I think it's moving along nicely. I mean, we're getting a good understanding of all of the different organizations within our community that are, collaborating to basically help the citizens that sometimes don't have a voice. So I think that today we met with the Manatee County Health Department, and I think that they really brought it all together, and we have some other meetings coming up here in the near future. But I feel like it's a lot of information to absorb, but I feel like we're definitely slow and steady wins the race. I think that we're definitely taking a big bite out of it to understand what the real issues are.